I get that sunrise? Oh yeah, you fluffed up special. Oh, you're beautiful. So, oh, I can hear Mum coming. Yeah, take the little bits. Take the little bits, not the big bits. Crushed them up a special for you. Especially for you, my little love. I just had the worst night's sleep. Could not sleep. Bad dreams. God. Oh. Hope that had nothing to do with you. Oh, just getting bites. Gosh. Yes, you have a sharp beak. Do I need to speak nice words instead of bad words, do I? Well, then, bless the sleep I had, because many people didn't get any sleep at all, so I'm very lucky. Very grateful. Thank you. Another morning lesson. See, that sun's just cracked. Look at that sun. Wow. That's beautiful, Sharky. Want some more, Darwin? You're a good boy. Some more for you? There you go. Good boy, Sharky. I'll leave him here for you, mate.